God damn. I feel like a sense of relief over
There's
there.
a rush too, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh my god, I felt that in my spine. I've never felt like this in my life.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Any more?
So what's going on? Talk to us.
So basically,
Short summary.
is I've got pain in my neck and sometimes in my back, depending on how much work I've done.
Okay.
So the back pain usually starts when I've been overexerting myself, being physical, playing basketball, or just doing anything exercise. And then the neck pain, I think it's kind of like always there in a sense, not like extreme pain, but I can just feel like tightness. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Probably from staring down at my phone a lot.
There you go. There you have it. I don't want people know what's doing there. What we'll do is I'll have your own here.
Right.
And what it's supposed to look like here. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison. Let's see straightness here. The one is pretty straight, but if you look close enough, it's like a building that wants to fall.
Like, what's that tower in Italy that's like this?
I don't want to use people that are from Italy will start vexing.
No, that's why this building is famous.
Okay.
Because it bends.
But you see how it's like, it feels like it's tilted.
Slow. Was I? And I was standing straight.
Yes. Because if you look at
Oh
the
yeah,
hips,
the hips.
it's similar to this thing I showed you here.
Right.
Once the hips are misaligned, the spine is going to compensate. Also, when we go to the upper body, you will see it as well.
This dope. This is dope. Dope to see, you know what I mean?
How can it be dope when you have a pain back, bro?
My guy, what do you mean, man? It's just dope to be aware of it, just to see it.
I like that.
You get it? Like, now I'm aware that, okay, cool, like when I stand straight, my spine is
You're
still
walking on
tilted.
something.
So I need to figure out how to
No,
like,
it's not figure out.
oh,
If you're truly standing straight, your spine won't tilt.
right.
It's because of the compensation of bending one way, bending one way.
Right.
But now that you're aware, when you bend, don't go and bend this
One
way.
side,
Come
just go.
through. Now, the side view, not bad, pretty okay. So here can be improved. If you look back here,
Yes, I can see that.
you're doing your best to implement the health tips.
Cool.
Now, one more. This you. Nope. That's your friend. Now, these are your earrings. I left them there for a reason.
Okay.
The earlobes are here, and I take the film here, you're supposed to see one earrings, or actually it's closer. But because the head is tilted, you're seeing one here, one here. If I tell you your head is tilted, you say, but now you can see it. Also, you see how small this opening is. See how your own looks, because that's the atlas. There's a tilt there as well. And down, and back. Oh yeah, let's move. Bring my shoulder down.
God damn. Nigga. Nigga. Oi, fam.
Why do you have to say the word? It's how you're supposed to.
Oh, man.
You know, so now we'll just beep.
He's gonna beep it.
Hey.
Fucking hell.
Hey, I still can see. This is a kid's show.
Oh.
This is family friendly.
Why are you making that sound, bro? You're scaring me.
When you get your own, we'll see what sound you will make. Now, you might be ice cold, not say anything.
Yeah, you know, cool.
Alright, is it not you again?
Why are you smiling? Like, you smile. Like you get down. You smile.
Bro, I feel like a sense of relief over
There's
there.
a rush too, yeah?
Yeah.
Face this one. Down.
Oh, fuck. Oh, man.
Jesus, we got double piece.
Oh, mo. One day.
The accent don't go. No more accent, don't go.
Oh!
No, I think I need some weed before I do You're scared,
You
right?
can go now.
Nah, let me see when you finish. I just want to see.
You can come up.
Bro. Yeah, that feels good still. Can't lie.
What did that do? Is his chest or?
Why you didn't ask me accent?
What did it do?
Bro, like I can't explain it. Like now, like my back feels straight. You understand? Like before, yeah, I felt like I had to actively like.
Trying to stay up.
Do you know what I'm saying? But now it feels like.
Yeah.
It feels like if I slouch, this feels uncomfortable slouching. Like I have to, like I have to be like this now.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? It felt like I was slouching before, and I had to actively tell myself
To stay
straighten your back. Now it feels like my back is straight, and it's almost like I have to actively tell myself slouch.
And then when you do it, you feel
But it feels uncomfortable, so I have to go back to this.
That's when the whole health tips thing kick in. Because
Yeah.
now, if you're like this and you work on this, and you don't continue to do this,
Yeah.
it becomes easier. Head down, down.
Oh,
One more. Can you get up?
Get up.
I should get up.
Yes, sir. You sit here so your legs are pressing down. You lie down. So this one would help to decompress the spine. Alright. I'll tell you what
This one
I
I
do
do.
this.
Yeah, this is one that people should scream the most. Yeah.
You'll be the one to defeat the odds.
Ah, God. For a minute, I was trying to believe him, you know. I was until this thing, I was like, nah.
So what I'll do is I'll stretch, then I'll make a quick adjustment.
Okay. Wait.
Maybe you see
Yeah.
the
Alright, let's go.
good?
Yeah.
It's not gonna do it, man. It's just gonna stretch it, man.
Don't talk on the video.
Okay.
Bring your hand to your chest.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I felt that in my spine. Ah, man. Oh my days.
God. Wait, I just see how for this year. This kind of wahala. This kind of wahala.
Oh my god. I need sweat, fam.
You know what, let me go use the toilet.
Why you run? Why you running, bro?
Yeah, I got to use the toilet.
Don't run, bro.
No, he will be back for sure. He's not going anywhere. Best time.
Oh. Oh, man. I've never felt like this in my life.
What are you feeling like?
Let me
Get your thoughts right.
That one made me a little bit dizzy.
The last one.
Yeah. Is that normal to feel dizzy?
Some people dizzy. Some people might even feel some soreness here.
Mm-hmm.
Are you feeling soreness here?
No, I'm not feeling soreness, but I feel lightheaded. I feel lightheaded, but I feel like it doesn't feel wrong.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
I wanted you to. I didn't want to interrupt you. I wanted you to
Yeah.
go through the. Because remember, if the head is not on straight, then you bring it back into normal, or the process of bringing it back to normal. You haven't been here in a while, right? So now that you're here now, it's like, okay, I'm trying to get used to this. I'm trying to adapt to this new normal.
Yeah.
So, you all right?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Any more?
No, that's it for today. You will rest.